Yeah. I cannot understand people who just left APC 2 days ago, 2 weeks ago, are talking about PDP, that we stayed and suffered to build the party. Even if anybody would talk about us, not these miscreants, not these miscreants. At the appropriate time, I will talk about how Dogara and Baba Chia visited me and what we agreed. You know, people, what I don't like in life, people that don't have character. I can't stand it. I can't stand it. At that appropriate time, I will challenge them for a debate.
Professor Julius Ehambere, he taught me theory of state when I was at the University of Port Harcourt, and they taught me how to carry out guerrilla warfare. That's why I've been winning them up and down. They don't understand. Oshiomole. Most of you remember, I was the one who fought Oshiomole. I fought him. You see, I fought you. I fought you. I fought you. Sorry. You know, until you get better facts, until you get information that you have never had before. Oshiomole, sorry. But I did it for the interest of my party. I did it for the interest of my